Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Epic Games error code 19007. Code does not exist, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing, check your code again. Make sure the code is correct. That's more likely than not what the problem is, so just make sure you typed it in correctly. Something else we can try here as well would be to restart our computer, which is going to be the second thing I'm going to recommend trying here. And then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem. If you're still having an issue, you can also open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, I want you guys to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Again, exactly how you see it on my screen. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So go ahead and close out of here and actually restart your device. And then hopefully your issue should have been resolved at this point. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.